In the belly of a big blue whale. You get a bit of momentum going here now for the next hill. Huh? You want a bit of momentum here for this next hill though. See your man starting to pedal there. Yeah. It's the last cooler. I'm just doing his speed though. Hey Marty, got you some fucking sweet footage of a I got you some sweet footage of close one.
Oh yeah. Ah.
I clipped the handlebar, Martin, off the inside of a tree. I don't know what this is going to look like, but I knew it.
Angle goes like
the handlebar is quite long.
Yeah, but
yeah.
You know, my
yeah, the fisheye view is what you mean, like.
Yeah.
All right.
So you should actually see just outside.
But I knew the thing was going to clip, and I just realised that, like, you know the way you've already made the decision, go left, right, left, right, left, 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 and went left, too close. You know what I mean? Like, and I couldn't correct it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So I knew I'd done it, and I just allowed myself to kind of hit it.
Yeah.
But I've not allowed myself, but you know what I mean? Went with it.
Yeah, yeah.
And the bike spun around. I didn't fall over. Wait till you see this. I don't know how the fuck I stayed upright. I did a complete fucking 180, man.
I'll get you that clip for you.
Oh, you
should.
Well,
you know, one of those
you got yourself an old fucking thumbnail or whatever.
Yeah.
And even after it, like, I'm still standing for about 2 seconds before I go.
Like, I thought I heard a crash, and I'm like, I seen Donald falling down, I seen you,
Oh yeah.
I was gonna, like, you know, if you did fall down, who's my GoPro?
I was telling Donald, you want to be going the same speed as this guy. You taking off from me there, Martin, eh?
Let's see if we can do this, yeah?
Right. Is that much more on you?
It's a bit,
Hang on, I get an upper gear, right? Like what? What's that like?
Yeah, it's fine. It's pulling you, yeah?
Yeah, it's giving me something, alright. Yeah. Cheating!
This is what, teamwork, isn't it? He's going to be cheating.
On your left, on your right!
They're cheating, don't tell anybody. Okay, push it right, keep on your finger.
This is exactly what I need, man. Go on, Marty.
Go on, easy.
Goes to show the hustle I was putting in there.
There's some water into it. I'm sorry for laughing. I'm going to send you the footage later.
Well, considering I was going to give up 10 minutes in, did alright.
Next up the ocean, I think.
So you're actually saying that the other lad was we should go to the sea.
There is actually a little lagoon and nature trail down the way.
Yeah.
It might be risky or what's in it, but it's
Right. Yeah, he'd be going out to Dublin. He'd be out with all the sea swimmers on the regular. This guy in the orange.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah, he brought the towels. He was like, "Come on, boys, go."
There's one thing you can do. Never forget the towel down the beach.
Yeah. Not a. Alright.
You're downhill basically all the way. So you should be fine.
Is this thing recording?
Is the red light flashing? Yeah.
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 Yeah,
Still recording.
Alright, he's going first.
He's got ahead, I'm slow. Drum's got ahead.
I'll go behind on. Gotcha. Right.